What's up, guys? In this video, we are going to check out the top 5 best mini trampoline for adults that are available in the market for their true quality. We have made this list based on overall performance, price, quality, and more. If you choose from this list, you can rest assured that you are buying the best product. Please check the products link in the description below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome content like this. So without any delay, let's get started. Number 1. BOUNCE PRO II Rebounder. The trampoline is incredibly durable for a little rebounder, with a massive 300-pound weight limit. In order to endure those stresses, they installed thick steel. In addition, the trampoline folds in half and has 6 replaceable legs. However, it will require 2 persons to complete securely. It folds just halfway, like a taco. So it's not as compact as trampolines that fold into quarters, but it's adequate for occasional transport. However, you probably wouldn't want to fold and unfold it every day. Its folded position is primarily designed for safe and convenient storage. Design. It has a semi-transparent spring skirt with orange accents, making it a really attractive garment. The exposed bungee cords give it a modern appearance. Unfortunately, this compromises the overall safety of the rebounder, as limbs may become entangled in the cords. Despite the softness of the cables, we would not take the chance. The bounce is exceedingly quiet, nearly silent, while also being smooth and robust. 2 additional bungee cords are included in case the current ones become broken or worn out. There are a total of 30 springs. Number 2. JumpSport 350 Mini Trampoline. The coating on the 16-gauge steel tubing is of high quality. Mini trampoline is difficult to transport and store due to its arched legs, but it is extremely stable as a result. The legs are detachable and straightforward to assemble. This rebounder does not fold, but we believe that this is safer. It is difficult to move, weighing just 21 pounds. The JumpSport 350 has an enhanced spring model compared to the JumpSport 250, 220, and 200, which are budget-friendly rebounders. This tiny trampoline does not have metal springs. Instead, elastic cords are utilized to produce bounce. JumpSport's proprietary cords are named Enduralast and are available in a variety of colors. Each spring measures 8 centimeters in length. The capacity to alter the tension of these springs to 3 different levels, in addition to superior quality control, is the primary distinction between these and other springs. Number 3. David Hall Cellerciser Rebounder. It appears that the Cellerciser can cure every ailment based on the marketing claims made by the company. To our perceptive eyes, everything appears quite dubious and almost like a massive swindle. This is quite disappointing, considering the product is incredibly excellent. We've heard statements that it protects against the flu and cold. Certainly, exercising is beneficial, but this is true of all trampolines, regardless of brand. Similar to the JumpSport 350, Cellerciser is 40 inches wide and has a 28-inch usable surface. The legs are 8.5 inches wide in length, allowing you to utilize the trampoline in your living room, as the mat is 10.5 inches wide above the ground. According to the research, a width of 40 inches provides the most support and benefit to the user. The useful jumping surface is 28 inches wide. No matter who is bouncing on it, the structure is extremely robust and has nearly no give. Due to the all-steel construction, there are no weak places due to the absence of plastic materials. In addition, we like that the springs are not attached directly to the frame, but rather to steel pins inserted into frame drilled holes. It can be folded, but this is not a task for a single individual, particularly when it is spanking new. The purchase of a balance bar is optional, so only take one if you are new to rebounding. Number 4. ACON Air 1.8 Fitness Mini Trampoline. The ACON Fitness Trampoline comes in a size of 6 feet or 1.8 meters, which is quite large compared to other goods. Due to this, it is highly adaptable and may be utilized as a small regular trampoline or rebounder for any type of exercise. The fantastic mat is cross-stitched 6 times and composed of polypropylene. It is naturally UV resistant. Additionally, the structure is durable and galvanized. The trampoline may be left outside without issue, but due to its size, it is also suitable for use indoors. Springs, 48 heavy gauge, 7-inch long springs with a 39-inch per load provide a robust, responsive bounce. There is a dark green rubber pad with a thickness of 1.2 inches to protect from tripping over the springs. We love that both children and adults may bounce on this safely, as the maximum single-user weight limit of 220 pounds instills trust. Number 5. Stamina InTone Oval Jogger Mini Trampoline. The Stamina InTone is an attractive fitness trampoline that won't let you down. But don't expect anything spectacular, as this is a low to middle tier fitness trampoline. Because of its oval shape and steel legs, you will have ample space for your daily jogging activities. Unfortunately, the best features of this trampoline are the included accessories, which are offered at a remarkable price. You will receive a trampoline workout DVD set with beginner exercises designed by fitness expert Maya Finnegan, as well as a motivational electronic fitness monitor that tracks total workout time, total number of jumps, number of calories burned, number of jumps per minute, etc. And no, that's not all. You'll also receive a handlebar and bungee-style resistance cords, allowing you to easily increase muscle tone and upper body strength while maximizing cardio workout efficiency. Thanks for watching, guys. That's all for this review. I hope you guys have enjoyed our work. Feel free to share your feedback, like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos like this. See you guys later.